Hi all, today we will discuss about Instagram architectures. So how if we will create any Spring Boot microservices application, so how we will create a Instagram architecture before developing any micro based architectures. In that cases how we will develop the architecture before. So here the users, we have a multiples users. If you see here in this diagram, we have a mobile, a client 1 2 3 4 are there. So they are doing some upload the photos or they are downloading from the Instagram. So some of the event they are doing like uploading this photos or downloading these photos or uploading some post on Instagram. In that cases what will happen, whatever the request is sending from this mobile client, from this mobile or any Instagram applications through the mobile of iOS, Android or any of, in that cases this request will come from this gateway authenticators. So this is the gateway authenticators. This will be verify this, either this users is authorized to log in for this particular account where they are trying to upload the photo or download these photos from Instagram and all. In that cases gateway authenticate this, and after that it will go for the load balancer. Suppose we have a bulk users is coming simultaneously, so client 1 2 3 4 5 and all. So how we will balance this? So how we are getting the request from this gateway and then we are balancing through the load balancers. So this load balancers will come in these pictures. So we have a load balancer concept which we have to develop, gateway authenticators we have to develop, and after that what will happen here in this load balancer, we have a two operations will be. So either we may need to read these operations or write these operations. So users is uploading photo, downloading and then uploading the post. In that cases read and write operations will happen. So we divided here from read and write operations. So read operations will go for this read servers, where if he want to download the photos or he want to see some pictures or post, in that cases it will go for the read operations. So this read operations will go for the read server, and read servers will read the data from the cache. Either we have a already caches will be enabled, either Redis caches or in. So depends on the requirement, we have to enable this caches. So here we have a read from the cache. So cache, and after that what will happen, if you are reading the data, so in that cases we have a feed generative service will be there, that will generate a feeds. Like either we once you are reading this, in that cases if you are seeing this post or seeing particular pictures in that, so you may like this, you may follow this, you may comment in that. So for that we have a feed generative service will be there. That generative service we have a some API call will be there, like get like. So get like will come, how many likes are there, get followers, how many followers are there for this particular post or particular image which users has uploaded, and how many comments are there. So we have a different like service, follow service and comment microservices will be there, that will fetch the details through this feed generative service. Some of the cases we have a get post informations, we need some information about this particular post or particular images pic post. So in that cases we have a post services. So this post services will have a all post metadata which will be insert in the database. If you want to get the photo metadata or anything, that will be retrieved from this database. So this is first read operations. Now coming from this load balancer to write operation, write operation. So in this write operations we have a write server. So read server was there, here we have a write server where we have to do operations. One is add or retrieve the data. Either we have to modify data or we need to add this some data in that, or others is upload those data, because write operations will have read, write, upload, modified and all updates. So upload the photos will go for the photos storage is a HDFS or /S3 bucket. Amazon S3 is a features which we have provided to upload the photos in this. So in write servers, through that we are going for this write server, and then we are uploading the photo that will be stored in this photo storage HDFS /. So this is, now here what will happen, once you write this photos, upload the photos, that will be have replicate. So this photo storage replications will be there. They will store the replications of this photos inside this data. And after that we have add or retrieve this data. So this add retrieve data, we have a database that will be connect with that. If you are doing some informations which will be add or modified, that will be added this information in this database. And we have a backup. So this backup database will take this backup of this add retrieve data. Then once this users has add this functionality of write operation, then it will go for the notification. So that will come from this notification server. This notification server have push notification to the users if online. So we will send this notifications to the users. So users, again it will go for the Instagram. So this Instagram have users which will be online and all. So they will get the notifications. Either your users has added the uploaded photos or added some comments or added some post, retrieve, updated some post and all. So users will get the notifications. So we have a notification server. Then the next is we have CDN, is a content discovery network, which will be taken all this informations through this content, whatever the content discover network. So these all are the architectures which will be following in Instagram architectures, which we are doing. Either we are uploading the post, creating any post, or like, follows and subscribe, comments, and anything we are doing on this Instagram. So these multiples inside this, these all are the operations which will be handled through the Instagram. So if you are going for this any technology, either Java, Spring Boot, microservice based, or any others technology based, and you want to create a Instagram architectures like that, we will do that. Thank you.